I'm going to introduce 15 minutes breakfast recipes so that you can try even on busy morning. Please see the description for the details of ingredients. First, for the miso soup, cut green onion and tofu. And for miso stir fry, cut eggplant, onion, green bell pepper, and fish sausage. This stir-fry dish is from my mom's home cooking. She always uses this type of sausage because my dad likes it, so I try to follow her way. Pour water in the pot and simmer green onion. Stir-fry eggplant and onion with oil. When it gets soft, add bell pepper and sausage. Add tofu to the soup. Add miso paste and mirin. Start to combine. Add dried wakame seaweed. Turn off the heat. Then add miso paste. Dissolve miso. Please add dashi powder as needed. Sprinkle black sesame and put salted plum on rice as you like. First, for the miso soup, let's cut daikon. Mitsuba. And enoki mushroom. Simmer daikon and enoki mushroom with water. Sprinkle salt on salmon. Grill it until fully cooked. Turn over after 3 to 4 minutes. When daikon is cooked, turn off the heat. Add miso paste and dissolve miso. Dish up salmon on plate with shiso leaf. Put mitsuba on the soup. I put daikon pickles on rice. For the miso soup, I cut onion and kabocha squash this time. Simmer them with water. Bake spam until brown. Make thin omelette. Cut them into bite-sized. When kabocha squash is cooked, turn off the heat. Add miso paste and dissolve miso. First, let's cut cabbage. Carrot and enoki mushroom. Simmer them for the miso soup. Make a cutting sausage. Bake them until browned. Let's prepare tuna rice bowl. Mix tuna with karashi, Japanese mustard, mayonnaise, salt and pepper, put tuna in rice bowl. And shape it into triangle. Wrap rice bowl in seaweed. When carrot is cooked, turn off the heat. Add miso paste and dissolve miso. First, cut off the root of asparagus and peel the bottom part because it's too hard. Cut asparagus in half. Wrap up them and microwave at 500 watt for 40 seconds. Let it cool down. Next, let's make miso soup. Slice onion and carrot. Simmer them with water. Prepare thinly sliced pork. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Then sprinkle potato starch too. Wrap pork around asparagus. Bake them until browned. When the soup boils, crack egg into it and cook it for a while. When it's softly boiled, turn off the heat. Add miso paste and dissolve miso. When pork is cooked, add sake, soy sauce, and mirin. Boil down the sauce. First, let's slice onion and thin fried tofu. Pour water in a pot and simmer onion and thin fried tofu. Make soft scrambled egg. Add a pinch of salt as needed. Stir natto after putting sauce and karashi. Dish up a bowl of rice. Put scrambled egg and natto. Add dried wakame seaweed into pot. Turn off the heat. Add miso paste and dissolve miso. Dish up kimchi too.